Looking for a modern, digital-first banking experience, Moniz promises a fast and flexible online bank account. But how does it really perform? Let's dive into its features, strengths, and limitations. Moniz is a mobile-based bank designed for simplicity and convenience. You can open an account in minutes without visiting a branch. Most people get this wrong. Moniz doesn't require proof of address in some cases, which makes it ideal for expats, freelancers, and travelers. Once your account is set up, you get access to a physical debit card, instant notifications, and the ability to send and receive payments instantly. You can manage your account entirely from the app, including budgeting tools, transaction tracking, and multi-currency accounts. The platform supports multiple currencies, which is a big advantage for frequent travelers or people working internationally. You can hold, spend, and transfer money in different currencies with minimal fees compared to traditional banks. However, Moniz has some limitations. Interest rates on balances are low or non-existent, so it's not a savings-focused bank. Some services, like international transfers or premium features, may incur fees. It also doesn't provide full banking products like loans or mortgages, so it's best suited for day-to-day banking and money management. Customer support is app-based, with chat and email options. The interface is intuitive and clean, making it beginner-friendly. Account verification is usually fast, and the onboarding process is one of Moniz's strongest points. In conclusion, Moniz is a solid choice for anyone who wants a digital-first, mobile-friendly banking experience. It's particularly useful for travelers, expats, or freelancers who need flexibility and multi-currency capabilities. If you are looking for a full-service bank with loans or high-interest savings, you might need an additional account elsewhere. Subscribe for more honest online banking reviews and tips to help you choose the right digital bank.